Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and nature topics. If you find these videos helpful, please consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links are in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is the basic differentiation revision. Question 3, and this is the quotient rule. The question is included in the video. On a side note, watch the video to the end to gain a fuller understanding of what you are doing. Mathematics is a game of patience, persistence, and repetition. So watch the video to the end to gain a full understanding of what you're doing, or else you will not understand what's going on if you watch just the first 5 minutes, and also there is no quick fix. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, the quotient rule goes dy over dx equals v u prime minus u v prime over v squared. Now, our first sum goes like this. Y equals cosec x. Cosec, the first thing we do with cosec is make it 1 over sin x. So, 1 over sin x, now, always the top is u and v is always the bottom, no matter what you do. The top is u and v is the bottom. End of story. Now, v is sine x times the differential of u is 1. The differential of 1 is 0. Minus u, which is 1, times the differential of v. So the differential of v is cos x, close bracket, all over sine squared x. Because here is v squared. So no matter what this is, you always square that number. So, sine times 0 is 0. So it's minus cos x over sine squared x. Now that's not the full answer. That is not the full answer. What you do next is you go minus cos x over sine x multiplied by 1 over sine x. Now our sum here is minus cot x times 1 over sine is cosec x. And that is our final answer. And this is a proof. We've just done a proof that proves the differential of cosec x equals minus cot x cosec x. We've just proven that. So, next sum. In these particular ones, this is where all your math skills come into play. Here's our next sum. So, this is u, that is v. So what we have now is x squared times. Now that's why I'm putting in a bracket. Now, u. This is cos 2x times 2. Because remember, this is chain rule. We're taking chain rule into account here. Minus u sine 2x times. Now, v, the differential of v is 2x. 2x. All over x squared squared. So, what we need to do now is we multiply 2 with this, and we get 2x squared. 2x squared cos 2x minus 2x sine 2x all over x to the power 4. Let me just rewrite my 4 because it looks like a 9. Alright, now what we can do is we can take out a 2x from both so that we can put it into, so that we can take out a common factor. 2x, now we're left with an x, cos 2x minus sine 2x all over x to the power 4. Now, here and here can cancel with each other, and we are left with, I'm going to rub this out, and we are left with I'm going to write it this way because there's no need for this, equals 2 over x cubed x cos 2x minus sine 2x. And that is our final answer. Our next sum is x over cos x. Now this is u and that's v. Now this will equal, it is v cos x, now x is times 1, minus u, which is x, times the differential of v, which is sine minus sine x, all over cos squared x. Now, what we have is cos x minus plus x sine x all over cos squared x. And it is that simple. You cannot take that any further. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.